What is research design? Process of research design based on 6 steps. Elements of research design, benefits of research design and types of research design. For Beginner's Guide to Conduct Research. What is research design? Research design is the framework of research methods and techniques chosen by a researcher to conduct a study. Research design allows researchers to sharpen the research methods suitable for subject matter and set up their studies for success. Creating a research topic explains the type of research: experimental, survey research, correlational, semi-experimental, review, and its subtype: experimental design, research problem, descriptive case study. There are 3 main types of designs for research. Number 1 is data collection, number 2 is measurement, and number 3 is data analysis. The research problem an organization faces will determine the design, not vice versa. The design phase of a study determines which tools to use and how they are used. The process of research design. It is a systematic and structured approach to conducting research. The process is essential to ensure that the study is valid, reliable, and produces meaningful results. The process of research design is a critical step in conducting research. By following the steps of research design, researchers can ensure that their study is well planned, ethical, and rigorous. 6 steps in research design process. Number 1 step of research design process is to consider your aims and approaches, determine the research questions and objectives, and identify the theoretical framework and methodology for the study. Number 2 step of research design process is to choose a type of research design. Select the appropriate research design, such as experimental, correlational, survey, case study, or ethnographic, based on the research questions and objectives. Number 3 step of research design process is to identify your population and sampling method. Determine the target population and sample size, and choose the sampling method, such as random, stratified random sampling, or convenience sampling. Number 4 step of research design process is to choose your data collection methods. Decide on the methods, such as surveys, interviews, observations, or experiments, and select the appropriate instruments or tools for collecting data. Number 5 step of research design process is to plan your data collection procedures. Develop a plan for data collection, including the time frame, location, and personnel involved, and ensure ethical considerations. And number 6 step of research design process is to decide on your data analysis strategies. Select the appropriate data analysis techniques, such as statistical analysis, content analysis, or discourse analysis, and plan how to interpret the results. Elements of research design. Impactful research usually creates a minimum bias in data and increases trust in the accuracy of collected data. A research design that produces the slightest margin of error in experimental research is generally considered the desired outcome. The essential elements are: Number 1 element of research design is accurate purpose statement. Number 2 element of research design is techniques to be implemented for collecting and analyzing research. Number 3 element of research design is the method applied for analyzing collected details. Number 4 element of research design is type of research methodology. Number 5 element of research design is probable objections to research. Number 6 element of research design is settings for the research study. Number 7 element of research design is timeline, and number 8 element of research design is measurement of analysis. Benefits of research design. There are several benefits of research design which are given as under. Number 1 benefit of research design is clarity of research objectives. Research design provides a clear understanding of the research objectives and the desired outcomes. Number 2 benefit of research design is increased validity and reliability. To ensure the validity and reliability of results, research design helps to minimize the risk of bias and helps to control extraneous variables. Number 3 benefit of research design is improved data collection. Research design helps to ensure that the proper data is collected and data is collected systematically and consistently. Number 4 benefit of research design is better data analysis. Research design helps ensure that the collected data can be analyzed effectively, providing meaningful insights and conclusions. Number 5 benefit of research design is improved communication. A well-designed research helps ensure the results are clean and influential within the research team and external stakeholders. Number 6 benefit of research design is efficient use of resources. Reducing the risk of waste and maximizing the impact of the research, research design helps to ensure that resources are used efficiently. A well-designed research plan is essential for successful research, providing clear and meaningful insights and ensuring that resources are practical. Types of research design. There are 2 types of research design, such as types of quantitative research design and qualitative research design. In next slides, I will explain types of quantitative research design and qualitative research design. Number 1 is types of quantitative research design. Quantitative designs can be split into 4 main types. Experimental and quasi-experimental designs allow you to test cause and effect relationships. Descriptive and correlational designs allow you to measure variables and describe relationships between them. Experimental research design is used to test causal relationships, involves manipulating an independent variable and measuring its effect on a dependent variable. Subjects are randomly assigned to groups and usually conducted in a controlled environment, for example a lab. Quasi-experimental research design is used to test causal relationships, similar to experimental design, but without random assignment. Often involves comparing the outcomes of pre-existing groups, and often conducted in a natural environment, higher ecological validity. Correlation research design is used to test whether, and how strongly, variables are related and variables are measured without influencing them. And descriptive research design is used to describe characteristics, averages, trends, etc. Variables are measured without influencing them, and variables are measured without influencing them. Number 2 is types of qualitative research design. Qualitative designs are less strictly defined. This approach is about gaining a rich, detailed understanding of a specific context or phenomenon, and you can often be more creative and flexible in designing your research. The types of qualitative research design show some common types of qualitative design. They often have similar approaches in terms of data collection, but focus on different aspects when analyzing the data. Number 1 type of research design is case study, which is a detailed study of a specific subject, for example, a place, event, organization, etc. Data can be collected using a variety of sources and methods, and focuses on gaining a holistic understanding of the case. Number 1 type of research design is ethnography, which is a detailed study of the culture of a specific community or group. Data is collected by extended immersion and close observation, and focuses on describing and interpreting beliefs, conventions, social dynamics, etc. Number 1 type of research design is grounded theory. It aims to develop a theory inductively by systematically analyzing qualitative data. And number 1 type of research design is phenomenology. It aims to understand a phenomenon or event by describing participants' lived experiences. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.